Lesson 17. Brief forms. Gentleman, JMN, morning, MNING, were, AR, and then meron pa tayong isang were. So that is ER. Tiny circle. Company, KP, manufacture, MNF, next, NES, short, ish, T, important, importance, MP. Word beginnings per, por, PER, PUR are represented by letter P and letter R. Person, PRSN, personal, PRSNL, permit, PRMET, perfect, PRFKT, permanent, PRMNENT, personnel, PRSNEL, persist, PRCST, perhaps, PRHAPS, persuade, PRSWAD. Next, words beginning per, PUR, purchase, PRCHAS, purple, PRPL, purpose, PRPOS. Word beginnings de and D are represented by letter D only. Delay, DLA. Deposit, DPOST. Decide, DS long ID. Deserve, DSERV. Desirable, DS long IR ball. Deliver, DLEVR. Depended, DPENDD. Decision, DSEtion or ish. Design, DS long IN. DI is represented by letter D only. Direct, DREKT. Direction, DREKtion or ish. Directly, DREKT. From this book, there is a similar words drill examples given. Okay, what is the difference between the personal and then the personnel? Personal, that is individual. And then, when we say personnel, that is the people who work for a firm, or that is the staff. Okay, look at the difference between the stroke of personal. This is for personal, and then the personnel. So this is for personal, PRSNL, and then this is for personnel, PRSNEL. Lesson 17, oral reading number 6. Mrs. Parcell, this morning I received the following short note from Mr. Jack Trent, Director of production for the toy manufacturing company, colon, open quotation, gentlemen, colon, we are sorry that we will not be able to deliver before next June the 40 washing machines we promised to deliver by April 10 because of a wildcat strike by our factory personnel. Paragraph, close quotation. I have canceled the order we gave to the oil manufacturing company, period. Do you know where we can purchase 40 washing machines on short notice and have them delivered by April 10? This is a matter of tremendous importance, period. It is so important that we will, if necessary, pay a premium of 10% in order to get the machines by 9 o'clock on the morning of our deadline, period. Harry Quinn.